Talking from the financial world, we are actually looking at financing education. How do I finance? If we require to get the 3.6 million, we can actually reduce it to a monthly figure. How much do we need every month? Can I be able to raise that from my active income? Can I raise that from my salary? And then we have to consider our ages. Sometimes we think we are too young, so we'll be able to pay all these things. Just take for example, if somebody is 30 years old, they get a baby. Now, this baby will actually be able to go to school when they are 34. They will go to primary school when the person is 36. Now, they leave primary school when this person is 42. Mm-hmm. And so they will go to high school when this person is 42, and they will be in that season for 6 more years. So they will finish when the person is 48. Evidently, then they are going to enter that's when this person is 48, and that student will graduate when you are 52. You see, there's a risk they might actually get out of school when you are a pensioner. You thought you pay from your salary, but actually you are a pensioner now, so you don't have active income. And that's why we have to think about passive income. I have some investments that can actually be able to give me that. Do I have assets that I can be able to sell? Or will I be out there hunting for scholarships? Are there scholarships that can help me out? We have talked about the loans, and we've seen why loans are good and loans are challenging. Yes, we're going to get a HELP loan, but we do not want our students to actually start life with a hefty loan. And that's why we might want to think about early savings programs that allow us to save slowly, and we might need a professional to help us to see, is it possible to use government securities, government bonds and government bills? Can I be able to use a unit trust? How does a unit trust work? How does a bond work? How do I get money out of the bond? Can I use a unit trust? How does it work? Can I be able to use an education policy? Can I be able to use SACCO dividends? That's another possibility. Can I be able to use the bank savings account? And this is where we need professional help, because if we take a government bond, for example, and we get a 10-year bond, it means the bond will be paying us some money every 6 months. You arrange it properly, and your child is college, it's going to pay for the first semester and the second semester very, very easily. Now, if you use a unit trust, it means that the money is invested, the money is growing, and we'll be able to take it. But it has a risk that if the child is too young and the parent for whatever reason is not available, then we're going to have a big challenge. We can use education policies because they will combine two things. They combine protection, they combine savings. Seek professional help so that we can actually be able to do. Essentially what this means is then we can actually be able to raise the money very, very quickly. So if you want to secure and build the quality of your family tree, I think you need to know more in this subject. We have a few slots. So if you want one of those, 0708-150-137. Send a text to that number. Somebody is going to be able to help you out. Somebody asked about my book, Wallet Words. Yeah, if you want to get yourself a copy, again, if you get yourself a text to 0708-150-137, you get yourself the good stuff, and you'll be able to look at those things.